4 symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency and 4 sources to get more of it. Hello guys. The deficit of it can trigger many health conditions and complications. Thus it's crucial that we spot the symptoms before it's too late. The 4 vital health benefits from vitamin B12. 1. Safeguards the heart. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death all around the globe, but the vitamin B12 can prevent the condition by reducing homocysteine levels in the body. 2. Averts nerve damage. The vitamin has the ability to replenish the myelin sheath surrounding nerves, which acts as a shield from all possible danger. 3. Vital compound for the bones. Researches show that people diagnosed with osteoporosis have high homocysteine levels but low levels of vitamin B12 in the blood. 4. Lifts the energy levels. Vitamin B12 is essential for the metabolism because it transforms carbs into disposable energy, thus increasing the energy levels. This is why people with a deficit of the vitamin often encounter exhaustion. The cardinal symptoms of B12 vitamin deficiency. 1. Anemia. Vitamin B12 enhances the genesis of erythrocytes, oxygen transmitter cells, in the body. A condition called anemia, where the heart and muscles can't acquire enough oxygen for regular function, occurs as a result of the vitamin absence. 2. Exhaustion. Low levels of oxygen in the body make you feel exhausted, and sleepiness, drowsiness are the main symptoms when lacking vitamins. 3. Dullness in the feet and head. Exactly like exhaustion, dullness in the feet and head appear due to the deficit of oxygen levels in the body. 4. Swollen and inflamed tongue. Papilli, losing the little bumps on the tongue, is the name for another symptom that occurs when lacking vitamin B12. 4 foods rich in vitamins B12. In addition, we've provided a top 4 healthy food sources of vitamin B12 for you. 1. Beef. 2. Clams. 3. Turkey. 4. Eggs. It does not replace a specialist. Always consult your doctor. If you liked the video, share it with friends and family and subscribe to our channel on YouTube to know more information on health, weight loss, home remedies, beauty and wellness. See you soon.